Hello YouTube, this is Kashif Shizad Khan. Welcome to Clean and Shine Marble Floor Polishing YouTube channel. I just restored this marble floor. It was very old and dirty marble floor about 40 years ago. 40 years ago they installed this marble but never polish. I just restored this marble floor. Check the gloss. It was very difficult job. I removed all joint lines. I polished this marble floor in Rabigh. Rabigh is a city in Saudi Arabia. Check the beautiful gloss, the beautiful marble, and the nice machine. This is a main road of Rabigh.